Okay, so I was staring at this high poly sci-fi door I spent all night modeling, and I realized, I have thoughts, millions of them, swirling around in here, like a little mental tornado of brilliant observations and witty comebacks. But the only thought I had was, why am I still manually extruding every single bolt head? It was absolute madness, just trapped in a loop of tedious modeling. Then I finally just used DECALmachine. Oh, wow, is this me? Am I actually finishing a project in record time? This is incredible. You just take these mesh decals and slap them onto your surface. They aren't even real geometry cuts, but with parallax mapping, they look like they have actual depth. You can literally see inside the little vents and recesses. It's a total game changer for hard surface texturing because you don't even need UVs. You just project, slice, or even use grease pencil to draw your details right onto the mesh. And when you're done, you can bake it all down into a trim sheet or an atlas for game engines like Unreal or Unity. I'm basically just adding vents, panels, and screws to everything now. My sci-fi crate has more detail than my actual car. If you're into sci-fi or complex mechanical stuff, this isn't just an add-on, it's a necessity. Seriously, it's ridiculously good.